Hi, this is Mel from GD So hello from sunny Fuerteventura. I hope I said it right. I've already had the sunrise in the morning at the beach, had breakfast. Now I'm here heading out to do a little bit of exploring around the place. Come along with me. On my way out, first feel of the sun on my skin, amazing. Yes, let's go. Looks like they're gonna swim. It's a bit nippy. I'm feeling, you can see my skin surrounded by hotels all around me. Come along. We're on the top floor of our hotel, so we can see everything around us. The road, everybody's coming in and to the beach, from and to the beach. Also, we can see the sea, the palm trees, and all the other hotels. So, believe me, I've been minding other people's business. Favorite first stop is the coffee shop. How much is the cappuccino? Yeah. Thank you, Justina. Did you do it for to go? To go? Yes, just for it, yeah. Thank you. No, that's fine. My fault, I did not say to go. Or maybe I did, but still, the sightseeing excitement makes you forget everything. Thank you so much. No sugar. I've got my coffee, so I'm happy. I'm the skipping girl. I'm so happy I got a cappuccino. I've been craving for it all morning, and the thing is, I've gone around the shops underneath that hotel and I've been disappointed. So yesterday I found that place where they do really good cappuccino around, and I'm on it all the time. So come along with me, shit. We're gonna do some sightseeing. First of all, we're gonna walk alongside the seashore. It's not the seashore actually, but then there's a road in between the sea and the little reserve area over here where there's, I think, last time squirrels and some different sorts of animals. There's a few sculptures every 5 meters and it's corroded. There's one here, looks like a man just standing on the top of it, on the end actually. And over here, I don't know if that's a donkey, a horse. I'm not too sure. I'm admiring this one up here. We have one up here which is a mythical creature. It's called Minotaurus. It's the body of an animal and a torso of a human being. Amazing. Yes, let's come along. We're still along on the long side. There's also the main road on my right, and on my left it's for pedestrians and bikes and all sorts. But it's amazing the way they did it, so we don't, bump into the cars or the vehicles, whatever. Well, behind me, it kind of looks like a stadium. It's a hotel, but it looks like a stadium. And on the terrace, there's all the shops and everything's underneath. So that's basically the whole area. We're on the south of the island, and it's just a beautiful, long, several-mile beach. with a few hotels on the roadside. That's basically what it is on the south of the island head. But the beach is amazing. The roads are perfect for riding, for driving. Excellent. Another sculpture, the head of a ram. Whoa! And there's another one. I don't know what it is, but come along with me. We're gonna take a look and see what this is. Come along, there's another one. It looks like an abstract face. There's also a padlock in there, so I better get a padlock and come and hook it on here. Oh, there's another one over there. It looked like the wind just blew it up to that side. What have we got here now? We've got two lovely stingrays. Oh. Yeah. Wash. 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 Woo! Amazing. Looks like I would say it's a mother and the young one. Amazing. A heart shape. So this is the symbol of love. Amazing. A mother and the young one.
Well, it could be a couple.
It could be a couple as well.
The man is the larger figure.
Yeah.
And then the lady is the smaller one.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we have here, Mel?
Well, what do we have up here? I'm trying to figure out. I'm looking, thinking, it looks like a man with his hands in the air saying, "Allah, hey," at the seaside. It's some feathers. You see the feathers around? Also, I guess it's the wings.
Yes,
on
yes,
the two
you got
sides.
it. It's got the broken wings, and it's the symbol of Ika, the one that flew.
So he's got his wings, his broken wings on the side. And also some feathers have already come off of it. But it's an amazing sculpture. It's like a man waiting for the sunset. Because the sunset is always that way. So definitely he's having a wonderful, amazing, peaceful time, just waiting for the sunset. We have another abstract one here. It looks like broken chain. It's like, I would say it's like breaking free. It's been split apart, so it's, the shape, one half there, just tearing it apart like saying, "I'm free." That's my interpretation. So for me, I think that sculpture symbolizes freedom. So what have we got here? I see the bottom, I see the legs, the head, and the arms alongside. So it's like a human being made out of cut up pipes. A walking stick, I guess. Yeah, I just say random things. Piece of the pipe, which just halfway cut. So it's like a walking stick, I guess. Yeah, I just say random things. To my right is the lighthouse where we did season 11, episode 10. Right next to the lighthouse over there. We're not gonna go here now. We're gonna continue because we did not, explore that side of the town. So we're gonna just continue and see what's beyond this area. Come along. Woo! Wow! What have we got here? It's a huge turtle with some baby ones as well. Right under. Nice flat stone here though. So all made out of bits of pipe. They also use the rims from the cars, from the tires. Just fit them nicely on the back there. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Well put together. Whoever did that, that's really I've come to the end of my walk this morning. So this is some sort of dinosaur. A little bit of some of the ribs, the tail. You can see the ribs, the spine, the tail, the mouth, and the head. I think we're gonna be coming here to do, one of our projects. So I'm looking forward to that. And some lovely grass around me as well. I think I can roll around in that, jump, have fun because it's quite soft and cushiony. So I'm looking forward to coming back later, just doing some filming, just waiting for the sun to go down a bit. After the midday sun, maybe about 4 o'clock, just before sunset, we're gonna come back here and film. I'm off shopping. Something new. I've never seen that before. Kind of look like an aloe tree, but it's not. But it looks beautiful. Finally, I got the chance to strip off. It's almost midday and the sun is really coming down right now. So see you in the next vlog and have a fabulous day. Bye.